Hi everyone! Tonight we're going to be looking at finding the mean or the average for a set of numbers. And mean and average are the same word. They're synonyms for each other. Our objective tonight is we will look more closely at the mean or average for a set of numbers. Then you are going to calculate the mean for several sets of numbers. The mean is usually called the average and may also be referred to or called the the arithmetic mean. I personally haven't heard it referred to that, but you may run into that sometime. The mean is the total of all the scores or amounts, and then you take those scores after you've added them, and you're going to divide them by how many scores or amounts that there were. So we're going to watch a YouTube that explains finding the mean. And sometimes it's fun to have a little variety. So instead of hearing my voice all the time, I thought it would be fun to hear someone else's. So sit back, relax, and here we go.
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to work out the mean, or the average. Well, first of all, we have to add up all the numbers. We start off doing this simply, add up two numbers at a time. So it's 23 plus 12. That'll be 35. And then 35 plus 9 equals 44. And then 44 plus 14, that will equal 58, plus 22, oops, that will equal 80, plus 30, equal 110, plus 16, add 16, that would be 126. So that's all the numbers added together. 126. We've added up all the numbers, okay, that we're trying to find a mean with. Alright? All of these numbers equal 126. Now, what do we do next? What's the next step? Well, we have to divide now. We have to divide by the amount of numbers. How many numbers are written here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers. So we have to divide 7 into 126. That's 126 divided by 7. Simple division. Okay? We can do this long, we can do this short. I'm going to do this long. How many 7s in 1? 0. Okay, we don't need to do anything there, alright? How many 7s are in 12? Well, there's 1 7 in 12. Then 1 times 7 equals 7. Take away, that will equal 5. Bring this 6 down, that will be 56. How many 7s are in 56? 8. There are 8 7s in 56. 8 times 7 equals 56. So there we have it. 18. So the mean of these numbers is 18. We added them all up and then we divided by the number of numbers. And that gave us 18.
Okay, so that was really interesting. And we're going to continue on here. Let's try a couple of these together. So I like the way that guy did it where he just did 2 numbers at a time because I think it's just easier that way. So let's add 30 and 40. I think that way it's easier not to make mistakes when you just take a couple at a time. and 3 plus 4, well, 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 4 is 7, so we have 70. And I'm going to mark off that I did those two. And then we're going to do 70 plus the next number is 50. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. We're going to add a 6 to that, so we have 120 and 6. Zero plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 6 is 8. Ooh, sorry about that. And 1 plus 0 is 1. And then the last one, we're going to do, I'm just going to put it right down here, 180 plus 70 is, that's 0. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1. 250. And 250, so I'm going to cross this off, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 250 divided by 5. Well, 5 can't go into 2, but it can go into 25. Oopsie, it goes in there 5 times. I'm having a little hard time there. 5 times 5 is 25. Then subtract. And then we bring down the 0. How many times can 5 go into 0? It goes in there 0 times. So the average for number 1 is 50. Once again, we added all of these numbers up and we got 250, and we divided it by 5 because there were 5 numbers that we added, and we divided it and we got the answer of 50. The next set, there are only 3 numbers, so I'm going to do 72 plus 75. Just going to start right here, making it easier on myself. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. And then I'm going to add 84 to that. So I'm just going to put it up here. 147 plus 84. I'm going to put the plus sign in there. 7 plus 4 is 11. There's 8, 12, 13. Carry the 1, and there's 2. 231 divided by 3, because there are 3 numbers. Three goes into 23 7 times. You don't want to go over it. And 7 times 3 is 21. 3 take away 1 is 2. And then we're bringing the 1 down. 3 into 21 goes 7. 7 times 3 is 21. So the mean, or the average, for number 2 is 77. So once again, we added these numbers up. We got 231, and we divided it by 3 because there are 3 numbers in the set, and we got 77. It's quiz time. Yay for quizzes. This quiz is linked to, there's a link to the assignment here, or the video, and you're going to do the quiz, and you are going to plug it in on your computer. So A, B, C, or D for each one. And the 5th one is how comfortable you feel with the concept. Do you really feel comfortable? Not too much, or not at all? And then we can help you tomorrow when you get to class. So you're going to pause it, do that, and then if you have any questions, write them down, and we'll address them tomorrow. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.